Hello everybody, welcome to the Carmichael workshop. I'm Steve.
And I'm Evelyn.
And today we're going to make some simple shelves for Evelyn's room.
Yep.
You know what happens now?
Nope.
My logo appears out of this cloud of smoke and then it makes this electricity noise like zzz, zzz. It's really cool. We went down to the home center and we got this 8-foot 1x10 and a couple of these 8-foot 1x3s. And I'm going to cut this 1x10 down into 4 equal size pieces for the main shelves. And then we're going to cut 8 side pieces and 4 back pieces out of these 1x3s.
Let's get started. I told my dad to cut a curve on all the sides to make it extra fancy. All the parts have been sanded, so let's glue us up some shelves.
This pine is going to look fantastic when we get a finish on it. Let me show you some of the finishing choices that I've already got here in the shop so we don't have to buy anything. We've got some clear polyurethane that'll really bring out the wood grain. We've also got some clear spray gloss lacquer here. We could rub some Danish oil on it. That'll give it kind of a yellowish tone. Or we could stain them. I've got some espresso stain, some golden pecan, early American, and oh, red oak. I like that one. So, what do you think?
I just want to paint them white.
Well, this was a fun project and it was easy to make. It's something you can do with limited tools and it's a great project to make with kids. So Evelyn, how do you like your new shelves?
I love them.
Cool. I see you've got some woodworking projects up here already and you've got room for more. So we'll have to make some more, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. Well, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and check out my other project videos. Also, thanks for watching this project, and I'll have more information about this over on my website at thecarmichaelworkshop.com if you want to check that out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
See ya.
Hello, everybody. What were you doing?
I was wiping my sweat off my arm.
Okay. Dude, me too. That was pretty funny. So, Evelyn, how do you like your shelves?
I love them.
I bet you do. Okay. Take 47.
I bet you do.
Okay, it's gonna be hard to do this again. I'm crying. The shelves mean so much. There's no way we could do
I'm
another
going to
one.
Matthew's room.
Let's take a break.